Salam, namaste, hola, privyet. Lentils are one of the cheapest proteins around. You can add anything you want to it and you get a great quality for less money. If you want to learn how to make these vegan burger patties, it's coming up right after this. Hey guys, what's up? So I know you might think that the deep frying is unhealthy, but I don't have an air fryer to try these out. So if you do, try it out and let me know. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how it turned out. I tried baking these patties before and they dried out, so I really don't like that option. Anyway, when you decide that you want to make these patties, you need to prep ahead. The lentils has to be cleaned, washed, and put to soak for about 2 to 3 hours. Now that's done, let's begin. Cut up the carrots in about half-inch thick slices. Rough chop all the seasonings and put it into a mini chopper or food processor. And blend it until fine. Do the same with the soaked lentils. You may notice some of the lentils in my mixture did not get grinded. That's not a problem. It's going to get fried anyway. You can do a smooth or coarse mixture as your preference. Add the blended mixture and salt to a big mixing bowl and mix well. Take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture or use an ice cream scoop to give you an average size, or just grab some of the mixture, squeeze it to form a ball and then flatten into a patty about half-inch thick. Heat the oil on medium and fry. I used a small pot, so I did one patty at a time. Be gentle when turning over the patty to avoid breakage. Repeat until all the patties are fried. Drain on paper towel or brown paper. Serve the same day or you can freeze for future use. I cut up wax paper and stacked them between the patties and stored in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. If you want to see how I made them into my lunch for work, check out my next video. I'll be happy if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell for notifications, alright? So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.